Circle. Triangle. Triangle. Rabbit. Let's start.
Tosas.
No. One.
Like a quick release. Quick release somewhere.
In order to wait, I might put it to protect. It has a quick release. Let me show that. It's that grey thing. Wait, oh, that one.
That's what.
Hizi zingine brake pad.
We need more wheels. What happened? Daddy, what happened?
So they just click on.
On?
Okay.
Mommy,
So the fact
he
is
means, Mommy, he means TV off.
So we got a grey shade. It had options of grey and blue. Sinigonge.
The bell.
So this is also used as a car seat. It's also a very easy fix. Bila lishe. Ni TV. Wenye ulikuwa unasema.
Of that.
Grabe. Yay! And we are set for this baby to move around. And that's it. That's the brand Giggles. It's a casual stroller. Okay, I was asking why it's called a casual stroller, and apparently they also have for mountain climbing and things and running and all. This is just casual, but it's pretty handy, even if it's casual. Yeah, and I like it. So, well, There you go. Bye bye. Pull it. Ah, the baby is small, mostly be lying like that. And then put it back up. Oh, there's like a thing you pull there. Cool. And then there's some safe brake pad here.
It cannot move back.
You put it down like that, it stops. And you pull it up. You can move like that. And then there's like a space here for putting, you know, paraphernalia. Like I always go with a lot of paraphernalia, but maybe just the diaper bag. And then there's that sunshade if the baby is sleeping, and it has a safety thingy, like especially for the car. And that's it. I don't know whether this video is quite well explained, but if it's not, we'll do another one. Bye.